Hey YouTube, car's well. Car's running great. CVT, WRX, high torque converter, stage 3 plus, from out intercooler, intake, full exhaust, Q300. Suspension lowered, as you can tell. No camber, no tow, and car is running great. With the weather change, I had to reflash it just the other day in the last week, and now I'm getting ready for spring. The car was run through the winter, ran great, need new tires, but I have 3 sets of rims and tires for it. But I want to give you guys an update since everyone's asking how it's running. I'm hoping to do more videos more frequently, but all that's left is really internals on the engine and the turbo, which I'm not going to do. I feel at 330 horsepower at the wheels, it's plenty of power, and I'm very happy with it. So there's the update.